Rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? Well, it's when you can turn an object so it looks exactly the same. And the number of times that it looks exactly the same is the order of its symmetry. So let's go about looking at these four shapes. So for this first one here, I'm going to turn the right-hand one and see how many times it looks the same before the dot gets back to the top. So it looks the same there. 1, 2, and 3. So that has rotational symmetry order 3. Okay, let's look at the blue shape. So we turn it once, looks the same, and we're now back to the start, so twice. So that has order of symmetry 2. Let's look at the cross at the bottom. So let's turn it 1, 2, 3, and back to the start 4. So that has order of symmetry 4. The last one to look at is this clipboard. Let's turn it. Doesn't look the same. It just looks upside down. Doesn't look the same. Back to the start. So for that one there, we'd say that has no order of rotational symmetry.